Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Oppo A95. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. A little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate it you can check in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices, but it's still not for your phone. Open the settings, go to the additional settings and swipe down to the backup and reset. Choose the reset phone, select the network settings, the Bluetooth is included here. Configure your partner and tap on the Reset Network Settings button. In the next step, try to update your system, so go back, choose About Device, tap on the color OS, and if you have an update, just install it and check again for your device. In the last step, try to check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.